looking at Google flights right now. I'm showing that TAP Air flight leaving from here
Through Portugal?
through Portugal. It's $237 per person.
About right. I'm going to go to booking. Oh, we need a sponsorship from booking. Flight out of Madrid is booked. Nice.
All right, so we're gonna leave Seville on Friday and head to Madrid. So let me get that flight booked just to confirm you've got the hotel going for Madrid.
Working on it. Did you get it?
Just confirming the payment right now.
Gonna let the Airbnb host know when they're gonna get there.
All right, so we get into Madrid at 10:40.
10:40 p.m.
Yep.
Okay.
Okay, so that flight's booked. You've got the hotel dealt with. You're dealing with that part right now.
Booking it right
All right, so we have both flights. We have both flights. We have a hotel booked in Madrid for Friday night. Where are we at with everything now?
I just need to figure out with the hotel how to get them to pick us up at the airport with the shuttle.
Okay, that should be easy enough, but just quickly, let's go over all of this. We know we can't take a drone with us, so we got to verify with your mom that we can send a drone back to Canada.
Shouldn't be a problem.
So we've got to find a DHL or a FedEx here in Seville before we leave. We know that we're going to need PCR tests, so we've got to try and find and get those things scheduled. And what else? There's something else we need to do. I don't remember what it is. Oh, we've got to print the health declaration forms.
We have to print them.
They have to be printed.
Probably do that at DHL.
Yeah. Okay, perfect. So figure that part out, and let's keep rolling on everything else then.
We need a hotel when we arrive. Just got the confirmation. First 5 nights hotel booked.
Perfect. Is that including breakfast and airport transfers and everything else?
Breakfast is included, but the airport transfer we have to pay extra for.
How much?
20 euros, I think it said.
That's not bad.
Yeah.
That's more than easy. What about the Airbnbs though?
No, let's not book the Airbnbs yet because they're non-refundable. So if we fail a PCR test and they won't let us in the country, we're not getting that money back.
Fair.
Fucking slow down, cowboy.
So we couldn't ship the drone with the batteries in it. Obviously the country we're going to, can't take a drone with us. So we had to keep the batteries along with us, so it's just a little bit more weight, but the drone is on its way back to Canada.
Also, nicest DHL guy ever in the world.
Ever.
Yeah.
PCR tests have been taken. We are just waiting on results right now. Say hi. All goes well. We are going to be boarding a flight tomorrow to Madrid. It is our final night in Seville. We got great news tonight. Our PCR test came back negative. We are definitely boarding a flight to Madrid tomorrow.
COVID-free babies.
What you would be hearing me say in this shot, if we didn't entirely mess up the audio, is that it's about 2 hours before we're about to leave for the airport to go to our next destination. And we had just gotten news that perhaps they require a booster shot to enter the country. And we only have our first 2 vaccines.
Just jumped on the bus here. I have a great story to tell you when we get to the airport.
Okay, fun times. As you heard Angela mention earlier when we were packing, we're a little skeptical that we're going to be able to get into the country that we're going to tomorrow. But to make everything even better, right after we finish all of our packing, we're just looking over at our boarding passes, and Angela out of nowhere goes, March 11th. For the record, it's February 11th right now. The flights were supposed to be today. I booked flights for March 11th. So we had to go through a mad scramble of trying to rebook flights for today so we can take a flight out of the country tomorrow. Craziness is going on. At least we're here at the airport and we're in the lounge right now. We kind of sit back and relax.
Checked into the hotel, made it to Madrid, in spite of Jeff's best efforts to the contrary. Early catch to flight tomorrow? Early flight to catch tomorrow, even.
Even better.
See you then. Good night.
Okay, so it's Saturday morning. We have made it through the first hurdle. We managed to check in. We have gotten through security. They've let us into the terminal area, and we're currently sitting in a lounge. Don't know what's going to happen as soon as we land in the next country. They may deny us entry. We don't know. We'll see.
Chilling in the airport lounge, waiting for our flight to board. And you've probably seen us in a lot of these lounges. You've seen us fly business class. You've seen us stay at really nice hotels for good prices or even free. What you may not know is that Jeff here is a credit card maniac.
I'm a nerd.
He's a nerd, thank God. And it's what's allowed us to do a lot of this stuff. So if you're interested maybe in learning a little bit more about this, leave a comment down below and we'll consider making a video about it.
Yes. But here can do one day for if you want to go to true desserts.
Looks like we made it.
Surprisingly, we're so grateful and super excited, but like this went off without a hitch. We sailed through the airport, through the additional COVID test. Everybody in the airport, the customs officers, the nurses, everybody was so wonderful.
Fabulous.
I am thrilled to be here. I'm so excited.
So, having said that, where are we?
We are in Marrakech. Welcome to Marrakech.
So we just got to Morocco. So if you guys have been to Morocco and anything you think we should absolutely do while we're here, leave a comment down below.
Yeah, let us know your favorite Moroccan dishes too. I really want it.
Absolutely.
Can't wait to eat them all. So don't forget to like and subscribe to see what happens next.